Muthenya wa gatatu na wa muthia wa kigomano kia mangabana kiria gikoretwo gigithii na mbere kaunti-ini ya Mombasa, gavana othe 47 mathiete keheri-ini niguo guthura mūikarīri gītī wa kanjū yao o hamwe na arugamiriri a kamiti cia honge ngurani. Kumana na githurano giki kiria gitafanitio na njira ya thiri, gavana wa kaunti ya Ngabana Anne Waiguru niwe uthuritwo ta murugamiriri mweru wa kanjū iyo, kuria munini wake agukorwo gavana wa kaunti ya Wajir Ahmed Abdullahi.
As we take up the mantle, we must strive to build on the successes and achievements made so that we can deliver on the devolution dream where every citizen, regardless of status, has equal access to services.
And I want to assure you that as the leadership that comes into office, we will do everything possible to remain true to the ideals of the COG and to work for devolution.
Uhotani wa Waiguru omutwite mutumia wa mbere kunyitirira giturwa kiu guku bururi-ini na gukorwo akioyerera wira uyu kuma kuri gavana uria uraumire kaunti-ini ya Embu Martin Wabora. Iguru ria kurugamirira gavana acio angi 46, Waiguru oho niwe gukorwo mūikarīri gītī wa kamiti ya bajeti ya thirikari cia matura iria iratongorio ni munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua, kuria oho agukorwo na gibarua gia gutongoria mihango ya guthondeka riboti cia kwaririria mabata ma thirikari cia matura.
Establish linkage between the council and parliament to facilitate review and development of policies and laws that are aligned to the devolved system of governance.
Speaker wa bunge ya bururi Moses Wetangula agithoma ndumiriri ya President William Ruto augite thina uria ukoretwo gumire thirikari cia matura wa gucarithirio gwa kigina kiria kiheanagwo ni thirikari nene ni ugukorwo gicaririo kihonia rungu rwa wathani wake.
We are committed to the complete transfer of all functions constitutionally earmarked for the counties. I therefore want to direct the Ministry of Devolution to complete the process of unbundling of all these functions and the National Treasury to avail the attendant necessary funds to complete the exercise.
Magavana aya no mathurite arugamiriri a kamiti cia honge itiganite ta urimi na githomo, kuria ihinda-ini o riu munini wa gavana wa kaunti ya Kajiado Martin Mushisho athuritwo ta murugamiriri wa nini a magavana, guku nake gavana wa kaunti ya Nandi Stephen Sang agithurwo ta muhiuria wa musharica kanjū-ini iyo.
Devolution is truly the gift to the people of Kenya. And you as the midwives and the champions, we encourage you and urge you to ensure that it becomes the engine of our economic growth. It becomes the cornerstone of creation of jobs, particularly in rural areas.
Mūikarīri gītī wa kanjū ya magavana atongoragia ihinda ria mwaka umwe, no nietikiritio ni watho kuhuranira giturwa kiu na guthurwo tamu ya keri ya ihinda ria mwaka ungi umwe. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.